Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be going over Nav Prime. That's right, Nav Prime. So, a lot of you viewers probably noticed that Nav recently changed to Nav Prime, kind of rebranded. It's purple instead of blue now. So, I'm going to kind of cover that in today's video. I'll be doing a couple of videos about Nav Prime. I think everybody should get the Nav Prime, especially if you're a new business, but even if you're already existing business, Nav Prime can help you. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's start with this little demo I have. This was provided by Nav. We are a partner with Nav, just so you guys know. But with our partnership with them, you guys can get a discount as well. So let's jump right into it. So you guys might have noticed before there was a service they offered was Nav Business Boost. I think they still have it, but this Nav Prime is kind of all in one, everything that you need, and you can get two trade lines instead of just the one trade line reporting to the business credit bureaus. So let's kind of jump into this demo real quick. So like it says here, welcome, let's explore the Nav Prime experience. This overview is where you can see snapshots of your financial health metrics and next steps for your business. All right. As you can see here, when you sign up, you have to put in all your information, of course. And you can see here it says like monthly revenue. How they know that is basically you can track it, give them access, third-party access through like Plaid or one of the other services out there when you sign up. So they can kind of see what you're doing monthly. They're not really personally looking at it, but it's just kind of to help you as being an all-in-one platform that you can use to gauge your business credit and personal credit as well. So you can see here it says monthly revenue of 14,000, personal credit. This is the Advantage 3.0 score, and it's going to show that. Business rating 65, funding outlook. You can apply as well. So let's go to the next here. So as I said, this is a demo account. You can see that it shows your Dun and Bradstreet, your Experian Intel score, Equifax. With Nav Prime, you can access your business and personal credit reports in one. And then it also shows your FICO small business scoring service. And you can see that here. The highest is like 200. Equifax, Experian, and Dun and Bradstreet. Here's the Prime benefits. It kind of goes over. They have a new Prime checking account. Their Prime card is basically net one, so it has to be paid back daily, but they're going to give you a credit limit based on what is in your business checking account. You connect your business checking account, and then you're going to get a credit line based on a percentage of your business checking account balance and history. So if you only have a small amount coming in, then you're probably going to get a small limit. If you don't qualify for that, they do have a secured business card, I believe, coming in the near future. But there's no hard credit check. There's no credit check on your personal credit. It's basically just a fintech basis of going off of your business checking account history, and that's it. So it says later, leverage your NAV benefits, select a goal, along with NAV Prime card, detailed credit reports, and the NAV business checking account. You're connected with everything your business needs to grow. Keep in mind, they're offering pretty much an all-in-one platform. And just so you guys know, I need to throw this out there. NAV is not a bank, but they are a partner with Thread Bank and Blue Ridge Bank. So it's kind of that's who's going to be serviced by, basically a white label with NAV. So your money is completely secured. It's FDIC insured. So they're really helping you have an all-in-one platform more than they had before. Let's see here. Let's get on to the next here. Oh, one thing I want to mention. You might say, oh, I already have a business checking account. I don't need a business checking account. I would advise you to go ahead and get one with them as a secondary. You never know. I have like 5 different business bank accounts with one of my business and 2 or 3 with the others. So can't hurt to have a secondary business bank account, especially if there's one you're running like say payroll or something out of or business savings. All right. The other thing that Nav Prime offers is you can explore financing options that you may qualify for. So you'll get connected to the right solutions that Nav has for you, partners they work with that might be able to get you, say, expand your inventory, purchase equipment, or business funding. Here's business financing. They're going to show partners they work with, and they're going to show you the pros and cons with each one of them. And you can also compare each one of them. Say you have 2 different ones on there they're offering. You can kind of compare, as you can see here. You can compare. Sorry for that pause there. Just letting it do its thing. So you can compare the options. I'm not saying you have to do this, but you never know if you could use business funding. They kind of simplify things for you. So you can see like the repayment terms. It's going to show you the difference between the 2. Now let's go on to the next. And that's business credit cards. So they're showing you also like they go by 0% APR or the lowest APR. They're going to show you the best option that's out there that they have. So you can see this one's Bank of America as example. It's 98% match. They have other Bank of America. Again, this is Chase, American Express. This is just an example demo that I'm giving you guys. Credit reports, we kind of already covered that. Basically, let me see if I can pull this up. Here's the landing page you'll get, and stay tuned until the end because I have a discount code for you guys. It's going to save you guys a lot of money. Build your business credit to get better financing. So you can get the Nav card. It's like I said, it's a charge card. It was on a waiting list. It's not now. You get detailed credit reports. So real quick, the Nav Prime card, get your credit for every swipe. Build business credit history from everyday purchases with the Nav Prime card. Charge card, it's a charge card with no credit check or security deposit required. Secondly, or I should say second monthly trade line to maximize your business credit building. So the first one is going to be what they had before was primary trade line reporting to all the business credit bureaus. It was Nav Business Boost. They still have that, but then this is a secondary one that's going to be reported every month, kind of your history. Okay. So it's going to help you. It's 2 separate trade lines that's going to be reported to the business credit bureaus. So it's going to maximize your business credit. Daily auto payment to avoid carrying a high balance. So every day it's going to pull whatever you spent the previous day. The Nav Prime card is currently not available in California, Nevada, North Dakota, and South Dakota. Detailed credit reports with Nav Prime. You're going to get track, build, and improve what matters to lenders. Access details from 3 businesses and 2 personal credit reports. I should say act on details from 3 businesses and 2 personal credit reports. Increase business credit scores up to 50% in the first 3 months with monthly trade line reporting. Drive decisions detailed trade line and public record data. So you can see what lenders see. And then they have the Nav Business Checking. I don't think you need the Nav Business Checking if you don't want it, but it's there to get, and I would advise you to get it. So here's the comparison. It's $49.99 per month, and you get the 3 business reports and 2 personal reports all in one place. Your Nav Prime payments and your Nav card payments, or I should say repayments, automatically sent as 2 trade lines to 3 credit bureaus. Nav Business Checking, no minimum balance, no opening deposits, no monthly account fees, no domestic transaction fees. The Nav Prime card, no credit checks, no security deposits, and reports as a trade line. So that's kind of the gist of things. That's the demo. And then we have exclusive discount. All right. So what would make the most sense if you use the link in the description below, of course, help to support the channel. But not only that, but there's no one that I know of that offers a discount with Nav. I have a discount if you use my link and you use my code. So GBC50 is the code. And it's going to give you $25 off, 50% off, basically. And it's only good for one billing cycle. But how you can maximize that and get 3 months discount is if you do the quarterly. So it's going to be $74.98. Original price is $149.97. So you're effectively going to get 50% off for the first 3 months. You can include the SBSS score, and that's also going to get you the 50% off. Okay. Something to look at. And I would definitely advise you to sign up with this Nav Prime. Again, it's optional for the business checking account, but why not? Especially when there's such low requirements, almost no requirements, really. So the link will be in the description below to sign up, along with the coupon code. Sign up for it. Even if you already have, say, the Nav Business Boost, go ahead and get the Nav Prime upgrade. Let's see here. I'm gonna make sure I'm not missing any. There's just a little disclosure. I do have to let you guys know that we are a partner with Nav. So just wanted to disclose that. I think that's it. Drop any questions in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond to those. And if there are questions directly about Nav Prime, I will get, if I can't answer them, I'll have Nav give me the response so I can properly respond to you guys on that. Anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. I appreciate all the support. Give the video a thumbs up and like. Again, this is the best advice I can give you. Sign up for Nav Prime. All right. Till next time. Take care.